First of all, we need to download our data. So if you haven't downloaded data before, a good place to start is the University of East Anglia's Climatic Research Unit page. I'll refer to that as CREW. We've all done this, but for people watching this who haven't, go to the data page. And here you can find many different data sets from that have been compiled by CREW for different resolutions. For example, that's a 5 degree by 5 degree grid from 1850 to present, compiled from the Hadley station data set. But you can get them at different resolutions for different time periods. First of all, you just want to get a gridded data set. So here's the main web page for this. And for example, I want to download this CREW 4.04 dataset. So you do this by clicking on this file, and I'll put the URL for this in the video, and you should have your KML file in a download. I already have mine in a folder, and if you just double click on that and you have GoogleEarth already on your computer, it should download. So what I want to do, for example, if I said that I want to download coordinates at half degrees for this area over the Darien Gap between Panama and Colombia, which has very high rainfall and high temperatures, I click on it in Google Earth and say show half degree cells. And in this case, you can use this data set or this add-on for Google Earth to explore temperature and diurnal range. You can also click data, and then you will be shown all of the data for one of these half degree cells. And then it will show up eventually. Unfortunately, my computer is very slow right now. It has a lot of programs on it. But I don't want to be doing that right now. I'm not interested in data. What I'm interested in is on the side here in your temporary places. What you've clicked on should show up the half degree grid boxes. If you click the down arrow next to it, it shows you this folder, which contains these half degree cells for that degree square. If you right click on it and say save place as, it will give you the option to save it to a specific place. I'm going to put them all into organized files in one specific place so that I know where they are. It's just good practice. The rest of my computer is a nightmare, so I'm trying to start doing this. But I will give it a label so that I know which degree cell grid cell it comes from. So I'll call that Darien Gap and save it. Now, when I go back to that folder containing my KML files, I have this KML file that I have downloaded from Google Earth. I can't open this in a CSV or in a text file in a way that will give me the information that I want. But I can convert it to an XLSX Excel file using the program QGIS. You can also convert it online, but often the programs that allow you to do so will make you pay for a subscription after converting 3 or 5 files, and I'm broke, so I'm not going to do that. But QGIS is free, open source software that you can use to make maps, and you can download it off of the internet. I'm sure you can do that for yourself. This is an example of a previous map that I made. It's really simple and easy to use, and I will show you how to convert your KML file using this.